Hey, what's up guys, this is Krish here, and today we'll be unboxing this Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I have purchased this buds from Samsung online store. As you guys might have already seen my previous video, I have purchased the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. If you haven't checked that video yet, please do check it. I'll provide the link in the description. So I was getting this Buds Plus on an offer for around 1,999. So I thought why not buy it and unbox and review for you guys. So the Buds Plus comes in this cute little box. It's actually cute, it's very small. And now there is a seal. I'll just take it off and let's open this seal. Okay, so this is how it looks. Before using for the first time. Okay, charge the battery of your Buds Plus for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so this is the actual case which it comes in. Okay, oh, it's very compact actually. Okay, I tore it. Oh. I chose the black one because I felt these are much more good looking than the other ones. There are colors like white, some light blue, and there is another special variant which is the BTS, like special edition kind of. Okay, so the magnets are not that strong. I still have my Soundcore Life Note. And the magnets in that are actually strong. I'll just show you. So here is my Soundcore Life Note, and as you can see, you can hear that sound. It's like very tight. But with this, I don't think that's the case. They are wobbling, and yeah, they just fall out very easily. So you need to be careful when you open the case, especially. The case is good. The magnet is strong, it seems strong, but then there's a problem with these buds. The magnet is not that strong actually. So we have this a dedicated application for this Buds Plus. So let's just go to the Play Store. I'll show you guys here. Buds Plus. Yeah, so this is the Galaxy Wearable app. And there will be another plugin especially for the Buds Plus. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Let's search for plugin. Okay, maybe there is no need of that plugin because this is already a Samsung tab. So let's see. I'll just charge my buds. I'll just charge my buds once. I'll just plug it then. Okay, here they charge. Let's set this up. Buds Plus. Allow. Let's open this box. Maybe let's let me just get them charged for a while and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have charged them for around 30 minutes now, and now let's try to pair them. I have Bluetooth on, and let's just open the Galaxy Wearable. Yeah, it's here. It started. So here we see a green light. That means the buds are almost charged. There was zero charge on this actually initially because as you saw, it was manufactured in February. So I guess they were lying like that, since February. So oh yeah, see here you can see that Buds Plus A1DA. Let's just pair them up. not sure why is it taking so long to pair. I'm not sure what's okay. So it's open already, and I made sure that all the devices Bluetooth is turned off so that there won't be any interference. Let's see. Let's just close and open. Okay, here. Okay, now we got the pairing request. Okay. Oh, it's installing another app on its own. That's actually cool. It's installing on its own, yeah, because it's a Samsung tablet. If it is any other company, then you will need to install another Galaxy Buds Plus plugin, especially to access all the features which are related to this buds. So it doesn't matter if you are using a Samsung phone or any other phone, even on iOS and iOS also the app is available, so shouldn't be any problem. So I guess it's installing the app. Yeah, so we have it. It says congrats on your new Buds Plus. So continue. I will need to give few permissions. So it has this ambient sound feature, so that's the reason it is showing this stay in touch with the surroundings. Ambient sound, let's okay, next, and start Spotify. Yeah, we can directly launch Spotify from the Buds Plus. Okay, so let's go. These are the touch controls. Shows you or tap to play, play, pause, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold. And this is about ambient sound. Next it's about the case and all. It shows, okay, it's not showing the case. I guess it shows on the app itself. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so here you can see that on the case it's 51% and buds it's 26%, and yeah, we have a software update already, and these are all the features. So we can set the ambient sound to medium or high. Okay, so let's update it. It's 1.38 MB. So I guess that's it, guys. I will use these for around a week, and in my opinion I feel these Buds Plus look really premium. You can see how they reflect everything, and they are very glossy, and the buds were coming with a matte finish, and there were many problems with the normal buds, and Buds Plus are actually good. So I'll just try these out, and I'll make another video, a proper review video, after I get enough time with them. So I guess that's for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So until then, like, share and subscribe to my channel.